Hello everyone! Do you want to generate automatic subtitles for your videos in Canva? You are in the right place. The first step is to click on Video. Here we choose the size. Then click on Uploads, Upload Files, and upload the video with audio. And now we drag it. Well, now we click on Apps. And here we will look for Subtitles. And click on this one. Now we select our video and then we press Open. Start. Export. And here we will have templates. We choose the one we like. Inside the template, we can change the font, the color, and the size. And click on Generate. And here we will check Arimos that this everything well. Then click on Generate Video with Subtitles. Now click on Add Page. And click on Add to Design. And that's it. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks.